Good day, guys. This is your tutor engineer. We are continuing today with grade 8 geometry, which is part of paper 2. So let's start with today's lesson. ABCD is a kite with angle A equal to 85 degrees, angle C is 50 degrees, angle D is Y, AD is 5 centimeters. Find what reasons the length of AB and the value of Y. So let's start with that. So first of all, we're given that AD is 5 centimeters. So AB is equal to AD. So AB will be 5 centimeter because it's given. So that's how you're going to determine AB. And then when it comes to a Y, since we're given that this is a kite, this angle is equal to angle B. So angle B also will be a Y. Okay, so we will say from here angle A plus angle D plus angle C plus angle B is going to give us 180 degrees. The reason is sum of angles of the four-sided figure. And then angle A is 85 and angle D is Y, angle C is 50, angle B is also Y, it's equal to 180. So from here on, we're going to solve for Y. So Y is 22.5 degrees. So let's move to the next question. Find the size of X in the following triangle. So this is the right angle triangle, and this angle is 90 degrees. That means you can use the theorem of Pythagoras, which says the hypotenuse side squared is equal to the adjacent side squared plus the opposite side squared. So from here on, we'll solve for X. So X is 29 units. Okay, so let's go to the next question. ABCD is a rhombus. Given that AD is 10, BD is 2x, AC is 4/3 times longer than BD. Find the length of ED. This is the length of interest. Okay, since we're given that BD is 2x, right? So this is BD, and this is a kite. This side is equal to that side. So the diagonals of the rhombus, they are equal. So let's say if BD is 2x, this one will be x, ED is also going to be x. Okay, and we don't know what is AE at this point in time, but we are given the relationship of AC is equal to 4 over 3 times BD. We also know that we can work out AE using the theorem of Pythagoras. Since this is a kite, the diagonals will interface at 90 degrees. So let's use the theorem of Pythagoras. We have a 10, we have an x. We're looking for this length, AE. So we're going to have 10 squared is equal to AE squared plus x squared. So this is 100. So that means AE squared is equal to 100 minus x squared. So if you want to put square root sign on both sides to find AE to be square root of 100 minus x squared. So here this side will be square root of 100 minus x squared. Since we have this relationship, we can also use it. Take note that AC is equal to 2 times AE. So we can replace AC by saying it's 2 times AE is equal to 4 over 3 BD. So we know that AE is 100 minus x squared under a square root sign 4 over 3, and then we know that BD is 2x we are given. Then from here on we're going to solve for x. First of all, 2 will divide with this 2 here, and then we'll remain with 100 minus x squared under a square root divided by 4, is equal to 4 over 3 x. From here on, we can multiply both sides by 3. It's going to give us 3 times square root of 100 minus x squared is equal to 4x. Then to get rid of the square root sign, you can square both sides. We'll have 9 multiplied by 100 minus x squared. Then here is 16x squared. Then from here on, we'll have 900 minus 9x squared is equal to 16x squared. Then basically you solve for x from here. (900) divided by 25 is 36. So if you put square root sign on both sides, you'll find that x is equal to 6. Right, so it's 6 units. Since you are not given the units, you'll just call it 6 units is the answer. So we can conclude that ED is 6 units. So we are done with that part of the question. Let's go to the final question, which is question 3. Complete each of the following statement. A quadrilateral with both pairs of opposite sides equal and a pair of adjacent sides equal is a, you need to complete the statement. So basically this is telling us that both pairs, a quadrilateral is something, it's a four-sided figure. So meaning both pairs, this side and that side, are equal. and this side are equal. Both pairs are equal, and also the adjacent, the pair of adjacent side is equal, meaning this side and that side being adjacent are equal, and also likewise we'll have equality here. So this is a rhombus. You can say this figure is a rhombus. If you had been given that one of the angle is 90 degrees, then it would have been a square. Since in the absence of that information, it's safe to say it's a rhombus. And then the final question, 3.2, a quadrilateral with one pair of opposite sides equal. So here just one pair. That means this side is equal to that side. The other pair doesn't have to be parallel in this case. So this is a trapezium. This is a trapezium where just one pair of opposite sides is parallel. Okay, so we'll stop here for today's lesson. If you liked today's lesson, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned on the next lesson, and cheers.